Boom, 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 boom.
Yo,
boom,
tell me why why do I keep wearing red? I gotta stop this. I'm not a blood.
What we about to do, man?
About to go lift. We're about to lift for a long time because we got plenty of time. So
yeah, man.
I'm gonna do my 200 and 200.
Go tear it up.
Back, deadlift, everything.
Kill it.
Yep.
All right, y'all. We just rolled up here to Gold's Gym. I bought a hat. We're gonna find a locker room and get to working out. Danny's gonna deadlift more than me, so he thinks. All right, y'all. We're starting out with a superset of pull downs and like a cable pull down and or pull up with a row. So we're doing a dumbbell row right now. Danny's about to jump on his rows.
Yep.
All right, so we're on to deadlifts now. Doing sets of 6. Woo, it's hot in here, we're sweating. All right, so we just got done doing deadlifts. Went up to 405 for 6. And now we're gonna do landmine rows, but isolated one side at a time. All right, y'all, we've done all of our landmine rows. We're moving to rack pulls now. This is our last back workout before switching to biceps. All right, y'all, we just did alternating dumbbell bicep curls, and now we're doing alternating cross the body hammer curls. 4 sets of 15 on all these, going up in weight with each set. Here we go. So we just did hammer curls. Now we've switched over to a really strict, isolated dumbbell incline curl. So basically taking out all the momentum, all the swing, and just focusing on the contraction. This is what happens when you work out with Danny. He sweats everywhere. All right, so we're on to our last bicep exercise. We're doing 4 sets of 15 on the bicep barbell drag curls. So you want to keep the bar up against your stomach the whole time, and then try and bring it above your nipples at the top of the movement. Let's do it. All right, so Danny hadn't done this in a while. He's getting the hang of it. Basically, you're just dragging the bar up your torso and squeezing it at the top. All right, y'all, workout is done. What do you think, Danny?
Great workout, man. Almost 2 hours.
Almost 2 hours?
I missed it.
We're gonna see if we can find a sauna in here real quick, because they're both craving some sauna action. All right, we found a sauna. Had a successful 18-minute session in the sauna. I'm super sweaty, super gross, but super refreshed. Danny, how you feeling, bro?
Like a wet dog.
Yeah, buddy.
Soaked. We gotta take showers, man. We stink.
Yeah. All right, y'all, the workout is done. The sauna is done. We are headed back to the place to change clothes, get a shower, and then we're going to try and go grocery shopping and find some grub.
Yeah.
What are you hungry for?
Eggs and ground beef, I think.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
This is what our outside of our Airbnb looks like. Little construction going on. Nice shirt, Danny.
Thank you.
Look at that mural. Alright, y'all, so we're looking for a grocery store. Nothing's in sight except for this Spanish Mexican based grocery store called El Super.
El Super.
El Super.
But the best part was that the first place we went to was called Lala Foods, and we get into the building and it's a corporate building.
Yeah, corporate headquarters for Lala Foods. They didn't have any ground beef for us. So here we go.
Then we put in a wholesale order.
Yeah. Boom, Starbucks. We know where that is, that's good. I don't know my Spanish, so I'm gonna let Danny do all the negotiating in this supermarket here at El Super. How's it going, Danny? Give us an illusion of what you're gonna be saying.
All right, so I'm gonna say, buenos días, mi gente. Acabamos de llegar aquí a El Supermarket. Tiene una carnicería y una panadería. Vamos a hacer unas compras. Vamos a comprar huevo, tocino, picadillo, carne molida, ¿verdad?
Yeah, what he said. All right, so we got some 73.27 ground beef. Some carne, por favor. Check this out, y'all. Bulk lard. It's just straight up lard.
The only thing is that, like I said, you got to be careful if it's hydrogenated.
Yeah.
A lot of the times nowadays they hydrogenate it. They don't need to do that with lard because lard is naturally solid.
Yeah,
but they
no way to
hydrogenate
know.
it anyway, and it messes it up.
All right, y'all, just stocked up on groceries. We got 6 pounds of 73.27 ground beef and some butter, some eggs, some energy drinks, and some
crap,
green
it's gonna
tea.
rain.
So it's about to rain now. I'm gonna try and make it back before we get soaked. Singing in the rain. We're just singing in the rain. So we got the necessities at the grocery store. We have the ground beef cooking. We got a whole bunch of sea salt. And I got some Monsters because I don't have my Zevia energy drinks. The ground beef, tea, butter, and eggs, and that's it. Alright, y'all, we just got here to the conference and Danny left his phone in the Uber. So we're waiting for the Uber to come back to us. And I'm wearing a button-up shirt and I feel out of place. Alright, y'all, we are in one of the booths here. Trying to get some decent lighting here. I ran into a few people. Y'all might know this guy.
What's up, everybody? We finally made it happen. You guys have been asking on my channel, yo, when are you gonna hook up with Keto Savage? It's time. It's finally time,
We're
man.
gonna work out while we're here.
We gotta do it, man. We gotta do it, man.
Yeah, buddy.
Absolutely.
Got one camera.
Yo!
Goody. We got another camera.
It's a camera party, not a
What's
keto
up,
party.
man?
So, like, literally.
And then we got mine too.
It's Team Canon, Team Sony, and Team
Panasonic.
What is that? Panasonic?
Lumix. This was what I was shooting on though.
Oh, were you? It's a good camera.
Yeah. So we got all three.
Boom. Boom.
In Tampa.
It started.
Yeah, I see several of you. A little bit different, huh? And we support everything that you're doing, the important work that you're doing. Thank you very much.
All right, y'all. We are headed out. The conference is still going on. We're gonna go find something to eat though, because Danny and I are both hungry. And most of the stuff starts tomorrow, so I'm gonna get a lot of footage of the conference tomorrow. So right now we're gonna get some food. See you in a bit. All right, y'all. We're at King's Fish House. You hungry?
Man, I am. I have no idea what I'm gonna eat, but we're in the mood for seafood.
Let's do it. All right, so we're getting some swordfish. Right now we have some butter, so we're just eating raw butter as an appetizer. We got the oyster sampler. Yeah, buddy. All right, we got our sea bass and our kale with goat cheese.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy. Going to Verizon, get him a new phone. All right, y'all, we just spent like 45 minutes at Verizon, but Danny got a phone. You happy, Danny?
Man, I'm better now, I guess.
Better now.
Poorer, but better.
We're hungry still. We're gonna walk back to the place and get a brick. All right, y'all, it's been a long day. We're both tired. We're finishing the day off with keto brick. That fish was delicious. The swordfish is the fattiest fish they have. But I looked up the macros and it's still like, for every 25 grams of protein, there's only like 5 grams of fat. So it's still pretty super lean still. So about to chow down on this to kind of compensate things. We ate a bunch of butter though, so that was good. Tomorrow is when a lot of the conferences are. So we'll get some footage of that. We'll get some footage of all the venues or all the booths, all the vendors. So tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. I'll see y'all then.